You have an idea for an application, but getting from that initial spark to a working, shipped product requires navigating a massive, frustrating gap. That gap is filled with repetitive tasks. You write the same boilerplate code over and over, spend hours configuring intricate database backends, and sit idle waiting for team code merges to clear. The real cost here is time. Instead of actually designing your product or refining the user experience, your team is bogged down managing basic infrastructure. Because of this slow build cycle, client feedback loops are delayed, and testing is pushed to the very end of the timeline. You often don't discover critical bugs until the app is practically out the door. Imagine what your development cycle would look like if you could bypass the syntax entirely and focus strictly on building pure logic instead of writing code. That is the exact problem Xuda Studio solves. It's a code-free, AI-assisted development environment designed to clear out traditional bottlenecks, letting you turn concepts into working reality. The first major delay in any project is the initial setup. Manually designing user interfaces and wiring up the foundational data structures routinely takes weeks of work before the app even functions. Xuda's AI assistant tackles setup from a simple prompt, instantly scaffolding UI, database, and logic pathways. Developers then snap these drag-and-drop templates together to customize application flow. Everything sits on Xuda's unified built-in data layer, engineered for immediate scale without manual backend configuration. By automating the initial scaffolding, you move from a blank screen to a customizable framework in a single step, leaving you more time to build the actual logic that makes your app unique. As a project grows, team collisions become inevitable. Multiple developers end up overwriting each other's work, while clients are left in the dark, unable to visualize the work in progress. Xuda Team Co-Editing addresses this by letting multiple developers modify the exact same application simultaneously. Every adjustment updates live across the entire team's workspace. To keep that process secure, automatic per-document version control tracks every save. Each save becomes a distinct revision, allowing you to execute safe, instant rollbacks to any previous state. For clients and stakeholders, the live preview feature runs the app against your current draft. You share a secure link, and they view and interact with real-time design changes remotely, straight from the studio. This synchronized environment keeps every contribution visible to the team, and every previous iteration just one click away. When errors slip into late-stage development, finding the root cause is difficult and leaves the application unstable. This network map represents how Xuda's built-in checker engine validates your project. With a single click, a scan sweeps across the entire structural and semantic logic of your app, immediately highlighting errors against a comprehensive rule catalog. As the app runs, the console actively streams runtime logs below your studio workspace, making error detection a real-time event. For granular control, use debug watchers. Pick a specific field and watch its value changes stream into the console the precise moment it happens. Instead of hunting for errors in a finished build, developers monitor a live feed of the application's health as they build it. The final point of friction is the physical environment. Traditionally, development halts the moment an internet connection drops or a developer steps away from their desktop machine. Xuda addresses this with a local-first offline development mode. The complete editor and all cached project assets run directly on your machine without requiring a network connection. You keep building in transit. The exact second your connection is restored, the auto-sync mechanism pushes all of your local offline changes straight back to the cloud. The platform is also fully optimized for mobile devices. You manage your application, tweak layouts, and debug live sessions directly from a smartphone or tablet interface without losing functionality. These continuous workflows mean you can start a project on a desktop and finish a logic tweak on a tablet, with or without a connection. With all of these infrastructure bottlenecks removed, the daily routine changes. Your focus shifts toward crafting the user experience and writing the custom logic that makes your application unique. You extend that logic through an open plugin ecosystem. You install integrations for UI kits, add secure authentication, and payment gateways directly from the marketplace, with zero boilerplate code required. For compute-intensive tasks, the run-at-server capability lets you offload heavy application logic directly to scalable server-side processing with a single click. Whether you are a solo innovator prototyping a new idea or a full enterprise team shipping production software, Xuda provides the necessary speed and reliability to keep moving forward. Stop fighting your infrastructure, go straight from concept to reality with ease, and schedule a demo of Xuda Studio today.